Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into some thrilling news about the upcoming iPhone 16 series. With the launch just around the corner, there's a lot to unpack, so let's get started. Production begins. Apple is revving up for the iPhone 16 series launch. Display production for the standard and Pro models is already in full swing, thanks to their trusted partners, LG Display and Samsung. The Pro Max delay. However, there's a snag. The iPhone 16 Pro Max displays haven't received Apple's approval yet. This delay is notable because such approvals usually happen earlier in the year. Could this affect the launch timeline? We'll have to wait and see. Potential approval timeline? Leaks suggest that Samsung might get approval by the end of May, with LG following in mid-June. Meanwhile, BOO, another display manufacturer, is involved with the non-Pro models but not the Pro screens. Production schedule insights. Apple typically starts production in June or July. If the iPhone 16 Pro Max displays get approved by then, we might still see a timely launch. But without any official word from Apple, there's still some uncertainty. Conclusion. That's all for today's update on the iPhone 16 series. What do you think about the potential delay? Are you excited about the new features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching Future Phone Flash, and we'll see you in the next video.